these persons may not lawfully marry, declare it now.
Yes, please. You're supposed to marry me.
Josef Bernarda, according to Huguenots tradition, for you not lawfully married, you must declare it now. Joseph, will you take Mariamne to be your wife? Will you have her, comfort her, honor and protect her, and keep her as oath shall live? Mariamne, will you take Joseph in to be your husband? Will you love him, comfort him, honor and protect him? Be faithful to him as oath as long as you both shall live. I will. Josephine. I, Josephine, take you, Mariamne, to be my wife, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death us part. I, Mariamne, take you, Josephine. I, Mariamne, take you, Josephine, to be my husband, to have and to hold, from this day forward, for better or worse, for richer or poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death us part.
Oh, cosa di noia.
William Green and Diane married. In the presence of God and before his people, I proclaim that they are husband and wife.
Keeper.
That since God has joined together, let not man divide.
Keeper. Keeper. No. Keeper. Lekker moesie.